right, without further ado, the nominees in the shorts category are and the award goes to, Lonely. Here?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a microphone.
Yes, it is.
How much I have before the music started playing?
You got all the time in the world.
Thank you, Beaufort. I love you. I really did not expect this, honestly, even though my actors did an amazing job, and South always treated me more than gently. I mean, I spent a good part of my life in South, and this is amazing. I'm sorry. I started in Nashville, Tennessee, then I lived in Atlanta, Georgia, and I do love South. So thank you, South, and thank you, Duško Valentić, my wonderful actor who's now with us. This is for you. Without you, this film would not exist, and he gave me everything, heart and soul, and I wish he's with us to share this, but he's probably watching us from above. So thank you for all of you that recognize this film. This is big for us, really is, for such a small film. Thank you all. Enjoy it. Stay in the South for another 6 days. And thank you, Ron and Rebecca, for having us here. Congratulations for your 20th anniversary. Thank you for being a part of your 20th anniversary. Thank you all. God bless you.